Today we're making a classic one-pot beef stew in a Dutch oven. Rich, thick, and full of deep flavor. And the best part? Everything happens in one pot. Welcome to Ellis Comfort Food. Before everything goes into the pot, we start with simple prep. Take your beef and cut it into large, hearty chunks. Not too small, about 2-inch pieces. You want the beef to stay tender and juicy after 3 hours in the oven. Dice the onion into medium chunks. They'll melt into the broth and build flavor as it cooks. Mince the garlic finely. You don't need much, just enough to give the stew that warm, savory depth. Next, peel your carrots and slice them into thick rounds. Thicker pieces hold their shape better during slow cooking. Now, peel and cut the potatoes into large cubes. Try to keep the pieces even so everything cooks at the same rate. Bigger chunks will stay creamy inside without falling apart. And that's it. Simple, hearty cuts. Nothing fancy, just honest ingredients ready for the pot. Start with your Dutch oven. Add the beef, large, hearty chunks. Then add chopped carrots, diced onion, minced garlic, and big pieces of potato. Sprinkle in your dried organic beef broth mix. Add beef stew seasoning. Season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and dried parsley. Now pour in 1 quart of water. That's it. Give everything a gentle stir so the seasoning spreads evenly. Make sure the liquid mostly covers the ingredients. It doesn't have to be perfect. The steam inside the Dutch oven will do the work. Drop in fresh rosemary and fresh thyme for that deep, cozy flavor. Add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. It will deepen the color, add richness, give a slight natural sweetness, balance the herbs, make the gravy taste more slow-cooked. Place the lid on. Transfer the Dutch oven to a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it cook for 3 hours. Slow heat, steady temperature. During those 3 hours, the beef becomes tender, the vegetables soften, and the broth transforms into a rich, comforting gravy. No stirring, no checking every 5 minutes, just let it cook. After 3 hours, carefully remove it from the oven. Lift the lid slowly. You'll see thick, hearty stew with tender beef and soft vegetables. Give it a gentle stir. Taste and adjust salt if needed. And that's it. 1 pot. Simple ingredients, 3 hours in the oven. This is comfort food, the easy way. Welcome to Ellis Comfort Food.